take a look at their makeup stuff. So let's see. So these color mates here says this is an eyeliner gel. Okay, that's $2.50, and here it is. So this is black on this side, and this is brown. So then they have this color made brow powder. That's $1.20, and this brow gel, tinted brow gel. That's $1.80 right there. Then they have the color made palettes in this color and in this color for $2 each. So if we come over here, guys, you're gonna see the lipstick with the lip liner. I think that's pretty cool. These are 90 cents, color mates. So these are the colors they have, guys. I'm not sure if I can even read the color. I don't see. Okay, this is cinnamon. This is ginger spice. What is this one? This is natural. Okay, so down here they have the cream stick. Okay, this one says shimmer. Okay, rise and shine. And then this one says light medium. And these are all $1.20, guys. And this is Superstar, and that's rise and shine. So here you have the blush and the brush with the brush, and these are $1. Okay, and those are color mates. Then here is face primer in matte. Those are from Color Mates, and that's $2.50. And then the concealer is $1.80, and they come in these two colors or three colors. Okay, those are $1.80. And they have a basket down here with different types of stuff. Like this one comes with the concealer stick and the pressed powder. And I think this one is not marked. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, this here, these are foundation sticks, and I think these are $3.50. Then they have the Revlon Color Charge. I never heard of this. So this says 100, number 100 highlighter. This one is $1.90. And these Chapstick Total Hydration Lip Scrub, those are $3 each. Never heard of that. So then soft lips. These are $1, and I never heard of soft lips. And look at this one. This is an avocado. I like that. And that's a lip gloss. I don't know. I don't see a price. I'm not sure. That's adorable, though. And that's the Taste Squad Gummy Bear. And then this one here is So Beautiful. Beautiful. And then this one here is shaped like a coffee, hot cocoa, and this one is peppermint mocha. I'm liking these, but I don't see a price on any of those. So this one says Blow Pop, and that's Laffy Taffy back there. Then in here, guys, they have random lipsticks. So each one is different. So like this one is $2, and that's by Revlon. I think are they all by Revlon? $1.80. So that's there. So let's see. Oh, so here's some more, guys. Look at these. So they have they look like little coffee cups and hot chocolate. So this is latte, caramel latte, hot cocoa, vanilla latte, and peppermint mochas. And they have random racks over here filled with makeup. Then this is like a bronzer right here, but I'm not seeing a price on there's no tag. And then here's the candy cane. And then here are the little shadows. Aren't they cute? Look at those colors, guys. That's $2. So that's $2, and they come in these shades. Then here they have the mascara, the teaser lash for $3. Then they have these mascaras, and this one here is $1.80. Then you have these felt tip eyeliners, and then the eyeliner, the double pack in the black right there, and those are $1. That's a good price. You get 2 for $1. And then you have this for the eyelashes, and then these mascaras right here, those are $3, guys. And then look at these eyeshadow palettes. Like these are so pretty, and they're $1 by Color Mates. So they come in that color, they come in this one, they come in this one. Then they have these here for $5, and that's from Physicians Formula, guys. So those are $5. And then you have some more palettes here, and that's CoverGirl, $3.50. And they come in all of those colors right there. These here from CoverGirl is $2.20, and that one's $3.50. So then they have these lip balms and chapsticks. Those don't have a price on that. $2.50 for this one. So here the Revlon Gel Cream Gel. That's for the eye, gel eye, and this is $2.80. Yeah, $2.80. And then this here is the Color Skinny. This must be liquid liner, and this is not in the right place. Okay, so over here you have the Almay, and these are $2.80. So you have those. And then what are these? Look how huge this mascara thing is. $3.50 for this. And then this is the Gel Lash, $2.50. And this is Revlon CoverGirl. And then you have the Vaseline for the lips. Those are $1.20 each. Okay, and then over here you have the liquid liner for $3.50. That's Revlon. This one here is $2.80. This is Almay Maximum Treatment Blemish Armor, $3. I don't think I've seen that before. And here's the Feather Brow for $5.50. And then here, this is Revlon. You have two items here for $3.80, and it's mascara. And then here's the Almay Deep Like Me, $2. And these are concealers, guys. It's $2.50. And then you have your nail clippers over here for $2.50. And then here's some LA nails. And then you have your nail polishes. Let's see, maybe I can find a nice purple I like. This is a nice color, guys. Okay, so those are $1.95. And then over here you have some, I was looking for some nail files, guys. So anyway, they have this 90-second top coat. And you have the double nail clippers. And I'm not really liking these kind of nail files, guys, but they're $1.50 and you get a lot of them in this. And here is the mini tweezer. Okay, those are $1.75 and $1.50. And your foot files, and here you have a huge bag of these cotton swabs. And here your blender brushes and some other brushes here, and your Q-tips. Okay, then you just have some of these creams on the side. This is a collagen anti-aging. That's $3.50. That's actually a good price. And here's the retinol one night cream for $3.50, and the facial one. Here's the day cream for $3.50. I don't know. I think I should try that because it's made by Dead Sea. $3.50. Let me see. And here is. Maybe I should. Let me look at these. How much is that? That one's $3.50 too. And it's paraben free. So this is the anti-wrinkle day cream, and this is the moisture, and that's the collagen anti-wrinkle. And then this here is the Dead Sea anti-wrinkle day. I think I might try this one. I used to get them over at TJ Maxx, but they're not open. So, and I need this facial scrub, so I'm gonna grab one of those. They have those cleansing wipes for $2.50 and the facial mask over there for $2. So they have a lot of these facial masks and the cleaning masks. And I'm actually looking for antibacterial masks, but they probably wouldn't have it in this section, guys. And then here we have some personals for the ladies. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out their cosmetics. And I'll see you in the next video.